The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Subaru Outback Wilderness. So this has the factory raised rails, and we've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo raised rail base rack system. So this is made up of the Wingbar Evo load bars, 50 inches in length, black shown here, but silver is also available, and the raised rail foot pack, which come in a set of 4. If you'd like to add locks to it, you can pick up a set separately. That's strictly just for security. Has no effect on how the rack holds, just if you feel like you want to add some protection to it, you can do so by picking up a set of that. So weight carrying capacity up to 220 pounds evenly distributed. Really a great rack for all different types of gear, including rooftop tents. But anyways, it's just been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack kit with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.